Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So today I want to talk about this ground cover. It's Mecardonia Magic Carpet Yellow. I've had this ground cover for a few years. Started in I think 2 or 3 4-inch pots, and I've just been propagating it over the years. So I really like it. It's really pretty, not just the flowers, but I think I like the leaves as well. But more importantly, it's very hardy. It thrives in full sun. This is a southern exposure. It's in full sun, and it does even better when it's in the summertime, when it's even hot, when it's really, really hot. That's its best season. So over time, it has spread in the various beds that I've put them. I just take a clamp and plug it wherever I want it to spread. So it's lining my the walkway. So it's really good with borders. It frames borders really well, frames stones really well. So here is another place where I plugged a few last year. My goal is for it to cover the area and surrounding this tree. So this is how it's looking like right now. There were just a couple of plugs, and now they're really spreading. So you can see. So it's very, very hardy. It's okay in the cold too. It blooms almost every few weeks. It will bloom. So that's really not an issue for me. So if you can see the overview. Okay. All right, I just wanted to give you a brief overview of this ground cover. It's one of my best ground covers. Really like it. In the extreme heat, the leaves will burn. You just cut it back like this, if you can see. But you cut it back and it will pop right back. So anyway, I just want to give you a brief overview of this ground cover. Maybe something you can consider for a very sunny location, or if you have a space, areas under trees never really do well. So maybe this could be something you might consider under a tree, or if you have a rock garden, this could be a good ground cover for you to consider. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Thanks.